Marketing is a term you hear all the time, but most people don't really understand what marketing is. They often think it has to do with sales or assume it's just over-the-top ads and commercials. But in reality, marketing is really about promotion. More specifically, it's about creating and implementing a strategy around your product or service to make sure the right message reaches the right audience so they see your product as a solution to their problem. There are two primary types of marketing: traditional and modern marketing. A good way to think of traditional marketing is when you see an ad on TV, see a billboard on the highway, or the print ads that always show up in your mailbox. Traditional marketing is often done in mass communication. Essentially, you blast out a message with the goal of reaching as many people as possible to make them aware of you, even though the majority aren't interested. But this method also has a lot of problems, which includes the ads that you run often being very expensive, not to mention it's practically impossible to measure the results of the ad itself. Although traditional marketing is still used today, modern marketing takes a different approach and addresses a lot of the problems with traditional marketing. Modern marketing uses highly focused targeting on what customers like, want, and need. This allows you to deliver the exact message they'll respond to and track the results of every dollar spent. The most common form of modern marketing you'll encounter in real life is also known as digital marketing. Some of the common types of digital marketing are SEO, or search engine optimization, where the goal is to get content to rank higher in search results; SEM, or search engine marketing, which is paying for ads in search engines; content marketing, which is done through blogs, videos, and guides; email marketing, which targets customers through email; social media marketing, which includes organic and paid promotions on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, etc.; influencer and affiliate marketing, which leverages creators or partners to promote products; UGC, or user-generated content, where customers create content that promotes a product or service; PPC and CPM, which are paid advertising models; and AEO and GEO. AEO is answer engine optimization, and GEO is generative engine optimization, which is used to show up in such AI models like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and so on. But how do companies even know who the right person to target is? It's all done through data collection. You see, every time you post, search online, interact on a site, buy something, or watch a show, data is being collected behind the scenes that builds a profile of your interests, habits, and behaviors. Marketers then use this data to deliver hyper-targeted ads that match your profile. Yet even with all this data, marketers can't be 100% sure an ad will work. That's why they often start with a SWOT analysis to identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to guide their strategy before running campaigns. This helps them focus on what's working, avoids mistakes, and makes smarter decisions about how to reach the right audience. But even after all that, marketers still don't know what will really work, which is why they often use a tactic called split testing. Split testing is creating multiple versions of an ad, testing which one gets the most engagement, and declaring a winner. At the end of the day, modern marketing isn't about shouting the loudest or spending more. It's about understanding and hyper-focusing on your audience, testing what works, and delivering value that actually matters so that your message won't be just seen, but it'll be remembered.